everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's recap and summarize the key takeaways from the lesson Try Again with Elsa. Here's a quick overview of the important points to help you remember and reflect on the story. So, the summary of this poem. This poem is based on a true story from the life of King Bruce of Scotland. He was a brave and wise king who loved his country and wanted to free it from enemies. He was trying to do his best to do good for his people. He tried very hard to win battles and help his people, but he felt failing again and again. One day, feeling very tired, sad, and hopeless, he sat alone in a quiet place thinking, maybe I should just give up. He was thinking up to give up because he was tired. He has tried many times, but he was not successful in keeping his people happy and safe from the enemies. Just then, he saw something interesting. A spider hanging from the ceiling by a thin thread. The spider was trying to climb up to reach its web, but the thread was so fine and the way was so hard that it kept slipping and falling down. Again and again it was trying to go up, but it was falling down. But did the spider give up? No. The little spider tried again and again. It climbed a little, fell, then got up and tried once more. It made 9 attempts, and each time it failed. It didn't stop. Instead, it kept trying with courage and patience. The king was seeing all this attempt of the spider. King Bruce watched the spider carefully. At first, he thought the spider would stop after so many failures. But on the 10th try, the spider finally succeeded and reached its web. This moment was very important for King Bruce. He realized that even a tiny creature like a spider didn't give up. If a spider could keep trying, then he, a king, should also keep trying and not lose hope. So the king got back his courage. He decided to try again to save his country. This time he won and became a great hero in history. The moral of the poem, Try Again, is never give up. Keep trying until you succeed. This poem encourages persistence, patience, and determination. It teaches us that failure is not the end and success comes to those who continue to make efforts despite setbacks. By trying again and again, we build strength, character, and the ability to overcome difficulties. So, this is a summary of the poem. I hope you have understood it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And don't forget to write the comments. Thank you.